So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in Windows PowerShell. Now, you're going to right click on it, and then click on Run as Administrator. And then click on Yes. And then once you run this, there's going to be 3 commands down below in the description. So we're just going to copy and paste the first one. So just highlight it, do Ctrl-C on your keyboard to copy it, come to PowerShell, and then do Ctrl-V on your keyboard to paste it. And then click on Enter. Wait for this to load. And then once that's been done, for the second one, don't copy and paste it. Instead, we're going to come to Windows PowerShell. You're going to right click on the white tab on the top, and then click on Edit, and then click on Find. You're going to type in where it says right here, zunemusic. We're going to type in zunemusic. Make sure that you have the direction on up, and then click on Find Next, and then click on Find Next again, until we get to Package Full Name. Make sure that you're on Package Full Name. You now want to copy all of this. So we're just going to highlight all of this. You're going to do Ctrl-C on your keyboard, to copy it, and then scroll down till we get to here again. Now that we copied that, we can now type in remove-AppxPackage. And now we're going to type in remove-AppxPackage space. Now you're in the paste where you just copied right now. So I'm going to do Ctrl-V on my keyboard to paste it, and then click on Enter. Wait for this to load, and yeah, that's how you do it. It should now be uninstalled. If it's not uninstalled, then just restart your computer, and then it will be uninstalled.